Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Quip membership, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Quip Plus membership. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel Quip Plus membership online. Please note, Quip Plus is a one-year membership program. So, within this period of 1 year, you can cancel your Quip Plus membership at any time before it auto-renews. For this, log into the Quip account. Go to the Plans tab from your profile. Select Remove next to the membership. Tap on the Cancel membership option. Follow the instructions to confirm your cancellation. And you are done. Method 2. For cancelling Quip membership via email, Quip also provides you with their customer support email ID for asking your queries and submitting your request to their team. You can also send your membership cancellation request to help@getquip.com. Their team will then contact you back within 3 to 5 business days. If you need a quick cancellation, then don't go for this method, as it will take a few days to process your cancellation. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily cancel your Quip membership. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.